modern feminist. Kalimitan sa ganitong mga babae, walang naging father figure. That's why they can't respect a man in their relationship. Gusto nila sila yung nasusunod sa lahat. Sounds familiar? Exactly. Control freak. Sila yung mga hubadera at walang respeto sa sarili. Karamihan sa kanila ang nasa social media dahil wow na wow sila sa atensyon. But they will desperately deny that fact kahit na magpakita na halos sila ng kaluluwa para lang sa likes and reactions. Dalawang bagay na nagsisilbing approval na maganda sila at minamahal ng marami. Sims and lust-driven boys may find them attractive, but they are walking red flags. They have been fooled and manipulated that it's okay to display their body in public just to get attentions. Bingo! It's called women immoralization. Sila ang klase ng babaeng entitled